If AB is a semicircle, what's the perimeter of this shape? So we have a composite shape that is a semicircle and a right triangle. And I need to calculate the perimeter, which is the area around the outside. But the only two values I'm given are 3 and 4. How do I calculate for the perimeter of the entire shape? Well, the first thing I need is this line segment AB. And in order to calculate this, I'm going to use something called the Pythagorean theorem, so a squared plus b squared equals c squared. If I add up the legs of the right angle triangle, that's going to give me 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Simplifying, I get 9 plus 16 equals c squared, and therefore 25 equals c squared. And if I square root both sides, I get c is equal to 5. So let me substitute that in. AB is equal to 5. Next, I need to find the circumference of the semicircle. So the equation for the circumference of a circle is circumference is equal to 2 pi r, r being the radius. As you can see on screen, the diameter is 5, and the radius is half of the diameter. If the diameter is 5, then the radius must be 2.5. If I substitute 2.5 in, I get circumference is equal to 2 times pi times 2.5, which is the same as 5 pi. However, that would be the circumference for an entire circle. Here you can see we only have half of a circle, so that's actually going to be cut in half, which means the circumference of the semicircle is 2.5 pi. Now let me collect all the information I know so that I can add it all up to get the perimeter. Remember, the perimeter is just equal to the sum of all of the sides. So in this case, perimeter is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2.5 pi. As an exact value, this means the perimeter is 7 plus 2.5 pi, but if I want to round it to get a decimal, it's going to be approximately 14.854.